Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change farm name on Heyday. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. First, make sure that you've opened the Heyday application on your device, and once you have, tap on the menu bar at the top left hand corner. Now click on the settings button in the pop-up and you'll end up in the settings menu. Look for the change farm name button and tap on it. You'll be able to see your farm name displayed on the screen. Simply go ahead and erase your farm name and type in the new name you'd like to change to for your farm. After typing in the name for your farm, tap on the tick mark right next to the given name and you've successfully changed the name of your farm on Heyday. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now you can tap on the star icon at the top left and you should be able to see your name change. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.